G'day guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a spiderweb just in time for Halloween. Make sure you watch the whole video because towards the end I've got a sneaky surprise for you. You're going to need a pencil, paper, an eraser and a Sharpie to go over your sketch with. Let's go! Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell. Let's begin! Okay, so here's my number one trick for drawing a great spider web straight away. We're going to start with a straight line, gently with your pencil, just a straight line that goes down like this, just as straight as you can. You can make it as long as you want, you can make it as short as you want, and then right across the middle of that line, we're just going to draw another straight line, right across so it kind of looks like a cross, like a plus sign, okay? And then we're going to draw a line that goes through the middle again, but diagonally on both sides. So here's one. Nice and straight, and then here's another one. And they all meet in the middle. You got to make sure they all cross over as well as you can here, okay? Now I like to start with the outside, so let's start joining all these lines up, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to curve a line in like that. You see how it curves down towards the middle as it reaches from one part of the web to the other, and we're just going to do that around the outside. So curve it in a bit, curve it in a bit, okay? So really it's just getting into a pattern of doing this, and what's great about this is that you can adjust the shape of your web any way you like. If you want to do a perfectly straight one like this, you can, it will look fine, but for my drawing I'm going to keep them curvy like this. So just get the outer ones done on your web. And now guess what, we're going to do this all the way into the middle. So let's start here, let's leave enough space, maybe like a finger space between them. We'll start here and again we're going to curve in, just like that. Again, you can make them straight if you like. You can also make these lines longer if you want to and make a really big web. It's up to you. The great advantage of this trick is that you can make the web as big as you want or as small as you want, and you'll always be able to draw a perfect web because it doesn't matter how long these are. It doesn't matter how long those are at all. You can just adapt the curves inside to match how long you've drawn the lines. So we're just gonna, again, starting here, leaving enough space, we're just gonna keep working inwards. You can do as many of these as you like or as few as you like. I think webs look a bit better when there's more of these. There's a bit more detail, so it's much more eye-catching. So that's why I'm going to do a few. So just work your way inwards like this. And what's great is that this is a really quick technique for drawing a web. So that means if you need to draw a lot of webs for Halloween, you can draw loads and it won't take you much time at all. If you use this trick, you'll get loads done in no time. And what we're going to do at the end, I've got a little surprise for you at the end of drawing this web. So we're nearly there, just doing a few more. You'll notice it gets a little bit faster as you reach the middle, because the lines aren't quite as big anymore, because we're all heading towards the middle now. Okay, I'm going to do one more. So here, here, still just a little bit curved, do you see that? Just kind of like all the lines are being pulled towards the middle. Okay, you know what? I lied. I'm going to do one more small one here, okay? Just in the middle. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I think it'll look a little bit better. So, that's pretty much our drawing of the spider web, or sketch I should say. This has been done with a pencil. What you can do is you can extend these just a little bit, like this. Just the edges of the spider web, and that'll make it look like it's attached to something a little better, okay? Now, here's the secret that I promised earlier when we were drawing these lines. I'm going to give you guys a little trick here. Obviously, we have a web. What lives on a web? We're going to draw a spider. So, I'm just going to draw a little blob here, and then a smaller blob. Okay, so this one here is its head, and this is its little body, its little thorax. And then we're going to draw a big one for its, I think it's called a spinneret. But I'd look that up online just in case I'm wrong. But it's just the bit where the web comes out of. It's just a big round back, and obviously we don't want to forget its legs. It's got 8 legs, so we're just going to draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. And make sure all the legs come from that little dot in the middle, that bit there, the thorax. Make sure they all come from there, because that's where a spider's legs come from. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should have 8 legs and 4 on each side. You can draw that spider wherever you like on your web. You can draw it here, you can draw it right in the middle, you can draw it here. It doesn't matter. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over this with some ink. You should go over yours with a Sharpie, and we'll compare our drawings at the end. Go over the lines carefully with a Sharpie, and there you have it, one creepy, spooky spiderweb just in time for Halloween. You can draw as many of these as you like, they'll all look great. This time I've got a little Halloween tip for you. Spiders may look a bit spooky, but they can actually be really helpful. They catch all kinds of creepy crawlies for us so that we don't have to. Besides, they make pretty great Halloween decorations, don't you think? And don't forget, if you want to learn to draw the quick and easy way and impress your friends while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.